Murunga in Sinhala is usually used as moringa in English, is considered as a miracle tree. Why it is a miracle tree is, in any kind of conditions, the climatic conditions, without much support, this is a tree that will grow naturally, and in Sri Lanka it is usually used to grow in the fence without compromising the land area of a house or agricultural land. So that was serving the purpose of using as a fence, as well as that is a very nutritious substance. And people say that they use milk as a source of protein and calcium. But when you compare with Murunga, the protein content in 100 grams of milk is equivalent to only 1.9 grams, versus in dry powdered Murunga leaves will give about 27 grams of protein. So therefore it's a very high protein source, as well as it has a lot of calcium included in Murunga. Not only that, most of the other vitamins and minerals are included in Murunga. So it is considered as the miracle tree, or it is considered as tree of life because of that. And certain countries grow Murunga as a government projects in order to combat the protein calorie malnutrition. So this tree can be used to provide the nutrition supplement to all the kids and to the households, especially without adding any of these agrochemicals. So this is agrochemical free, natural source of fantastic nutritious material. So Murunga, the project what we have planned is to grow at least one Murunga stalk in every fence of every house, and we want it to be traditional Murunga plant to be planted in every fence of every house. So what the aim of this project is, one is to ensure the nutritious supply of the house. Second thing is, this will be a source of agrochemical free food, which will work as agrochemical free food. At the same time, the research has clearly reflected that Murunga products or liquids prepared out of Murunga can be a fantastic fertilizer for the other plants and fruits and other kind of vegetables. So that had been practiced in other countries. More than that, this can be in America and other Western countries. Now there is a habit that there is a trend in those countries for people are turning towards vegan culture. So they don't touch any of these animal proteins. So they should have a protein source. So far the soya had been the protein source for these vegan cultural people in those Western countries. Today, Murunga has been selected as the best choice because that is not included, that is natural, plus it is without agrochemicals, so as the protein source for the vegans. So therefore the potential of exporting Murunga leaves and the other products produced out of Murunga to these areas where you have the vegan culture will generate a lot of revenue to this country. So we have highlighted that fact also to use as a national project. With all these views, all these aims, we have planned to initiate an activity in upcoming New Year season to plant at least one Murunga tree, that is traditional Murunga tree, in every fence of every house. With the help of State Ministry of Agriculture and GMOA is promoting this for best interest of all of us from nutritious point of view, health point of view, agriculture point of view, as well as micro and macroeconomic point of view.